So I do not have a piece of plywood that I can use as a table. So we're going to use this box here as sort of a table. And we're just going to start with unboxing the parts, see what we got, see what we need to put it together. Yeah, that's the tabletop. I believe these are all pieces for the base and the motor housing. Always look for stray washers. You never know when you're gonna need them. You know, I don't know if it's manly or not to read the instructions, but I definitely want this thing to work right, so we are definitely keeping these bad boys. And there is the body. As I lose pieces. You know, I cannot explain how happy having something like this makes me. I've always wanted to have tools and be able to do stuff with them and create the things that, you know, I wanted to create. So to the person who got this for me, you know who you are. I won't out you. Thank you. This makes me happier than you can imagine. Having something as simple as this means the absolute world to me. I appreciate it. Ain't nothing worse than foam, huh? Foam, 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 foam. I believe that's for motor housing or for the belt tensioning. I don't know quite yet. Here's the motor. Some bits and bobs on switch. Power cable. Definitely need that. And a bunch of screws and loose pieces. Huh, I wonder if they wanted all that to be out. For the tabletop. For the belt. I'm assuming the blade. Oh, this is the blade guide. Holy Christmas. A whole bunch more bits and bobs. Lower blade guide. More random screws. Probably the saddest miter that I've ever seen. We'll definitely have to check this to make sure that it actually is what it says it is. This can be very useful if it's accurate. Belts for the motor. And our blade. Well, that's going to be it for today. I just wanted to get it all out, see all the pieces, and I will have to catch you guys at a different time, and we can resume. Okay, so today we are going to get started on putting this bad boy together. Now, the instructions are, what's the best word? A little bit to be desired. And because of that, might be some slow going. But let's get started and let's see if we can get this thing put together. Now, this is probably going to be more of a boring video because I don't have great angles for you guys, and I apologize for that. I also have never done this unboxing, put together situation either. I pretty much don't do any of that type of stuff. And so I hope you guys can bear with me while we work through this. And we can get this put together. Now, I'm not wrenching these down. I'm just putting them on just tight enough to hold them on there. Success for the first 2 steps. Let's keep going. Time to get into the bag of goodies. Well, looky there. The bottom stand is mostly complete. Mostly.